Hello viewers, welcome to TechnoFacts. This is Pankaj and in today's video, we will learn how to download and install Python on your computer. I know there are lots of videos on this topic, but in this video, I will explain the correct way to install Python so you can easily run Python using the command prompt without any issue. So step 1, download Python. So first of all, open your browser, go to the official Python website. So I will search in the Google, type Python, click enter. This is official Python website. Just click on this. Here is the download option. I'll show you. Click on this download option. You can see Python for Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac, Android and other user. But right now I am downloading for my window. So I'll just navigate to the cursor here and click on this latest Python version. So when I'll click on this, it will start download. You can see Python 3.14.0 emd64.exe. So emd64 is 64-bit system. So how to check the bit of your system? Just open your computer, click on this PC, properties, you can see here 64-bit operating system has been downloaded successfully. You can see here Python 3.154.14.0 AMD64 is downloaded successfully. So now I'll have to install this. Just double click on this. Now it will show something like this. Install now, customize installation. Just click on add Python exe to path. Click on customize installation. Click for all users, because if you are having more than one user on your system, so if you'll not tick this, other user may not be able to use the Python. So if you'll tick this, other user also may able to use this. So use admin privilege, add Python exe, click on customize installation, tick all the boxes, click on next, install Python 3.15 for all user. Then download debugging symbols. If you required, you can click on this. These three options is for the debugging process. So if you want to use them, you can tick on this. I don't want to use them, so I am not going to tick these. Click on this install. Before this, it will show you the path where your Python is installed, so it inside the program files. Now click on install. It will ask your permission. Click on yes, and you can see here installation has been started. Now the final step, verify installation. So you can see screen is showing setup was successfully installed. Click on this close option. Now we'll have to verify the Python. So in the search bar, just type IDLE. You can see here Python is installed. So to run the code and check the Python, press Window R, type CMD, press enter. Command prompt will open. Type Python here, press enter. So my Python is installed and you can see it is running successfully in command prompt. Now I will provide a print command, print bracket start hello bracket close, enter. So you can see hello printed successfully. To check Python from the Python app, on your search bar type IDLE. So in this app, click on this IDLE Python and IDLE shell will open. So you can write your code here also. If it is one line code, you can write directly here like print bracket start, hello, bracket close, enter. If your code is more than one line, if it is approx 10, 20, 100 lines, so to run that code, click on this file, create new file, and you can write your code here, then file, save as. So right now I am going to save this file into my download, provide a name, so I am providing test.py and save. So I'll write again only print command here, print my name is Pankaj, Control S to save this again. Here is a run option, click on this, run module with F5 and function F5, you can run this module also. So I'll run this and the result will shown on my Python shell, ideally shell. So this is the simplest way to install your Python and run your codes easily. Thank you so much. Bye bye.